We will now move on to the closing session, for which I invite Professor Ravi Puvaya and Dr. Manish Arora.
Thank you, Sweta.
Yeah, thank you, Shweta. So, Manish, I'll go first and then you. Okay. Again, thanks a lot, everyone. It's my great pleasure to give the vote of thanks on behalf of the organizing committee for Typo Day conference. I'm also very happy and glad that the conference went smoothly. We had good participation with great sessions, great keynotes. I feel we managed to create a good experience and memories for the participants. First, let me thank all the jury expert members who went through the papers for selection and the jury members who went through the entries for both the poster as well as the logo competition. Let me thank all the participants of the conference, Professor Funny for gracing the occasion, paper presenters with valuable presentations, chefs for all the sessions, panel members for the panel discussion, all the 8 keynote speakers from different continents with great presentations, all the 12 workshop facilitators, all the general participants from the academia, industry, including student participations. It was nice to see so many questions being asked and so many comments on the chat box. Many thanks to our energetic team of student volunteers, Aritra, Dipti, Neha, Anirudh, Shreya, Bhavna, Shweta, Deepak, Kunal, Dishant, and Shivangi, Kashish, and Nayanika. A big thank you to all of you. We also need to thank our DSO's project staff, Chetan, Roop, Sumed, Sanmati, Yogesh, Santosh, Siddesh, Sachin, Vidya, Niranjana, Shubhangi, Shweta, Radhika, Saurabh, Ashwin, Sham, Rajiv, Samrat, Samarth, and Rahul. A big thank you to all of you. You did tremendous job of taking care of the platform, looking after the chairs and speakers, and making sure the conference goes on smoothly. A special mention to Roop Sahu, Mandar Joshi, Chetan, Yogesh, Sumed, and Sanmati for looking after so many issues, website, the platform, registrations, papers, correspondences, and many other activities. Also, the head of our department, Professor Funny from the IDC School of Design, as well as the admin support received from the Institute for organizing this conference. And the person behind the scenes, Dr. Ajanta Sen, for having been with us with suggestions, ideas, asking questions, planning, taking care of keynotes, and helping out with planning and logistics. A big thank you to you. We sincerely hope that the next conference is not just virtual but physical. We really pray for that. And it's just going to be announced after that. For that, we have the next conference organizer, Professor Manish Arora, with us. Yeah. So he's the host for the next Typo Day. So we will all look forward to your participation again. And I end with the very best wishes and regards. Yeah. Over to Manish.
Thank you, sir, and heartily congratulations to you and your all team, including the Industrial Design Center, Administrative Section, Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay, Mumbai Administration Section, and all the technical team and scholars, and so many your learned speakers, chairpersons, chair sessions. Many congratulations from personally my side and on behalf of Banaras Hindu University also. Now, I am welcoming you all for this last session of the today's session and inviting you in 2022. The date will be announced soon by sir, and I'm inviting all of you to Typo Day 2021 at Banaras. That is Banaras Hindu University, Department of Applied Art, Faculty of Visual Art, Banaras Hindu University. Me personally host to all of you on behalf of my department and my respected HOD, Professor Hiralal Prajapati sir, and Dr. Ashish Kumar Gupta, who is our associated member, faculty member in the department, and other colleagues also, on whole behalf of Banaras Hindu University. For that, I made a 3 minute of video, why you come Banaras. You already know about that. And I'm requesting to Pawai sir, please sir, play the video, and then after that we conclude it.
मधुर मनोहर अतीव सुंदर ये सर्व वेद्या की राजधानी राजधानी मधुर मनोहर अतीव सुंदर ये सर्व वेद्या की राजधानी राजधानी ये तीनों लोकों से न्यारी काशी सुज्ञान धर्म और सत्य राशि बसी है गंगा के रम्य तट पर ये सर्व वेद्या की राजधानी राजधानी मधुर मनोहर अतीव
It's nice. Thank you so much, Manish. Yeah. So now we have our project staff who have just done a, I think, 3-minute homage to all the sessions. So I'll let them play that video and we'll end the session up. Yeah, thank you so much, the video team, Santosh and Siddesh. Yeah, so that's a big bye from all of us. Thank you being here. Okay, so yeah, see you at the next Typo Day event. Yeah, bye to all of you. Have a safe, night. Good night.